Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to bring an image to front in Google Docs. So this is very simple, just follow my steps. First thing, as you can see, this image is stuck behind this text. As you can see, I cannot even get there. So in order to get an image into front, click on it and then go right here and click on these three dots which says image options. Now click on all image options. Right here it will open up this image options window where you have to go to text wrapping. Expand this, and as you can see you are probably have selected behind text. That's why your image is behind the text. So select it in front of the text and voila. You can also click right here in front of the text if you want. And now your image is in front. So it is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.